start. From the relief's edge claimed it is apparent that the challenge raised bars to the allotments made in favor of the fifth and sixth respondents only full stop. We are constant to note this on account of the fact that Sri Oja had, in the course of his oral submissions, contended that not just the allotments made in favor of the fifth and sixth respondents but also various other allotments had been made in violation of the policy of the corporation and in any view of the matter in breach of the mandate of Article 14 full stop. However, no details of these alleged allotments were disclosed either in the writ petition or in the subsequent rejoinder affidavit which was filed on behalf of the petitioner full stop. It is in the above backdrop that we now proceed to note the rival contentions full stop para. The petitioner sought the issuance of directions commanding the corporation to produce the relevant records in respect of the transactions of which mention stood made in the writ petition full stop. In the writ petition, it was averred that the allotments of large tracts of land was being made in utter violation of the principles which must inform a decision of an instrumentality of the state which proceed to distribute full stop. These allegations as note above were primarily made in respect of the allotments made in favor of the fifth and sixth respondents full stop. It was averred that initially the allotment was made in favor of the respondent number on 29 August 2016 without any advertisement having been issued by the corporation inviting offers from interested parties full stop. In the writ petition, the categorical case set up was that the allotment came respondents and despite various objections having been raised to the proposed allotment by the joint managing director full stop, the allotment in favor of the fifth respondent was further sought to be brought under cloud upon the assertion that the initial allotment made in its favor was subsequently surrendered and a fresh allotment made in its favor on 28 September 2016 full stop. In so far as the sixth respondent is concerned, it was alleged that the allotment made in its favor on to 22 December 2016 was not preceded by the issuance of any advertisement and the allotment itself came to be finalized by the second respondent by passing the joint managing director full stop. A further reading of paragraph 25 onwards of the writ petition carry the allegation of the petitioner against various acts of misfeasance committed by the second respondent full stop. It is alleged in the writ petition that the second writ petition was favoring one Anil Verma and that he was indulging in acts which were likely to cause pecuniary loss to the corporation full stop. The allegations as contained in the writ petition thereafter swayed towards the working and conduct of certain other officers and employees of the corporation. The transfer being made by the second respondent put in a nutshell the thrust of the allegations was that the affairs of the corporation was being mismanaged full stop.